India is rapidly evolving, and with its booming economy, new business opportunities are emerging like never before. If you're looking to start a business that will thrive in the future, stay till the end, because number 1 could make you a millionaire. Number 5. Fast fashion is fading, and eco-friendly clothing is the future. With a projected $350 billion market by 2030, businesses focusing on organic fabrics, upcycled fashion, and carbon-neutral production will dominate. The Indian government is also supporting sustainable initiatives, making this a goldmine for entrepreneurs. The EV industry is exploding in India. With the government pushing for electric vehicle adoption, brands like Tesla and Tata Motors are making big moves. Not just cars, electric two-wheelers, charging stations, and solar energy startups will shape India's transportation future. This is an investment opportunity you don't want to miss. India's space industry is opening up to private companies, and the market is expected to reach $44 billion in the next decade. With startups building satellites, rocket components, and space research technologies, this field is set to skyrocket. If you're into futuristic businesses, this is the place to be. With 5G and AI revolutionizing the digital world, India's data center market is booming. The country already has 950 megawatts of installed capacity, and experts predict another 850 megawatts by 2026. From cloud storage to cybersecurity, businesses in this field will see massive profits. Here's a shocking fact. India is one of the top destinations for medical tourism. With world-class treatment at affordable costs, the industry was worth $3 billion in 2015 and is projected to cross $8 billion soon. If you invest in private healthcare, wellness retreats, or alternative medicine centers, you could make millions. The future is filled with incredible business opportunities. Which one excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.